Hey, Life of a Contractor, Bob Carr here with TLC. Today we're in Mount Rainier, Maryland, right on the DC line. Right here is DC, this side is Maryland, and we are doing a large residential drainage job. Tying in all the downspouts on this home behind me, and sump pump. This house sits down about 5 feet in the back from the front, so we're going to gather all the downspouts, sump pump. That just, right now, currently, is channeled into the backyard, so we're going to replace all that, collect it all into an underground vessel, and then we're going to pump it up and out to the street. That way, it can go down here to the storm drain. This guy and his family, this gentleman and his family, can enjoy their backyard.
What do you apply for?
Well, I'll show you. You can eat your coffee and drink your bun. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to tie in this downspout here, get rid of this. So we'll down piece of PVC, cut it off PVC, sump pump. Okay, so we're going to grab all this here from the front. So we just have to be careful of the gas. You know, hand dig over the gas, and all the utilities there. Once we get past there, we're good. So we'll have to hand dig that, get it out to here.
Go straight line.
Here.
Take it forward like that.
And then we're going to go this way. Either through here, right through the fence, underneath the fence, or around that side. And then we're going to take the excess soil we have, we're going to fill this in and seed and straw this.
Okay.
You have seed and straw with you?
I have a seed, but we don't have a straw.
All right. You want to yell to Julio and tell him to bring a bale?
Yeah, I can call Julio, bring him in a straw right here.
Okay, so which way you want to end up with that water? Would you rather go this way with it?
I think so. It's going straight over here and take it out. Maybe we can come to right here.
Well, you just have to go through the fence underneath that far.
Yeah, underneath to the fence, past to the fence now.
That's it.
Yeah.
So, but you'd have to come here, right? And then go at an angle, another angle.
Angle right here.
I don't-
We already go this one for make sure. Yes, only we already got one 45.
I'm thinking going this way.
Yeah,
That's when I looked at it the other day.
Yes, only we already have a power right here.
Yeah.
In
Let's
there.
see what we got here. Electric in here? Yep, electric. So that's electric.
Yeah, it's electric.
Right to here?
Yeah.
Dig it up right here, cross?
Yeah.
Do a line here.
Yes, digging up open.
That way you can go and boom.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's on this side of the house. And on this drain over here, a lot of water comes from that roof, that yard, Jen's yard,
Yeah.
comes here. What I want to do is I'm going to put one box right here, right where I'm standing. Another box right here, 2 boxes, boom to boom. And then take this right through there.
Okay. Yeah. We gotta go in the middle to this piece of fence.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So you're going to put the fence back up. But for right now, make it easier on yourself, just take it through there.
Yeah, that's the one we already put the other wood we already cut it last time.
Yeah, threw it all down there.
Yeah, put it all in. I don't see anymore. I think so they take it.
Think it all covered up.
Yeah, you can't see anymore. Oh yeah, it is right there.
Yeah, all the old stuff.
Yeah. Put it right here. It's a lot of stuff.
Like where you grew up a lot, didn't it?
Yeah. The last time when we already cut it, we already see a little string in there.
Yeah.
It's running a little string.
Yeah, you're correct.
We don't see nothing.
Little creek here.
Yeah.
Thunderstorms, it gets crazy high.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Guys good?
Yeah.
And the guys are bringing the machine down. We want to test out the brand new Ditch Witch little trencher.
A few moments later.
Sump pump,
Some pump behind.
sump pump line. Alrighty, so guys have got this all connected, roughed in underneath these utilities. Old tree root here. Get this connected. It's got a clean out on it. We're going to come down, turn this corner, come down here. We're going to pick up this downspout right here, pick up this sump pump line, come down here, pick up this back, and then we're going to take this and end up down through here. And Jeff, we're going to take the excess soil for cleanup, put in here, and seed and straw.
Okay.
Just in this area here, okay?
Okay.
With the excess soil. I mean, we'll seed along through there anyway, but here's where we want to put the soil here, going this way, and then we'll just seed this whole area in straw.
Straw, okay.
And Jeff, did I show you over here what we're doing? So the guys marked this well line here. Rudy's marked this well line coming through here, going in the back of the house. And over here, Jeff, we got two 18 by 18 shallow boxes. One shallow box is going right here. Another one's going right here. Connect. Taking this down. Look at that far through the fence.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Put it all back together. Seed it. Straw it.
Okay.
Down to here. Over there's that cable and gas, but on this side of the trench, you just come straight here.
Okay.
And you want to go right into there, straight on down.
Okay.
You want to get over from it. Get over here. First. Out straight. Then come down. Oh, there it is. Okay, never mind. Good, good. Going up here. We go. Good. I thought it was buried.
Yeah.
We're good. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.